I saw a naked lady, just naked like that.
This is a residential place. We are even in a residential place.
We were concerned because if something is good, you can know that these people are good people. But we were skeptical as parents. We have children. This is even a residential area.
I had a knock at the door, very loud knock. I said, me, I don't have visitors at this time. At 4, I checked my clock. It was 4, and I said, "Who are you?" I had a voice outside. Nyamba. Said, "Who are you?" Mbunze, mwara akola wa Malaika. Because we have another Malaika here, a small girl. I thought it was Malaika herself, that young girl. So I came to the door. I peeped through the window. I didn't open. I first peeped through the window. When I peeped through the window, I saw a naked lady, just naked like that. And she was crying. And I said, I got the keys and I opened the door. I peeped. I said, Gwani. And she said, Nyamba. Kansala Nyamba. Now, because she said Kansala, I knew she's somebody who knows me. Then I welcomed her inside. I closed the door. She started crying. Me, when I opened, I saw her naked. I thought of her. She was from somewhere. Thieves got her and raped her. Then I entered inside. I closed the door quickly. Then she was crying. I said, she cried and she was crying very loudly. I said, let me give her time to cry. And when she cried, when she lowered, then she told me, I said, who are you? Why I work here at Malaika's place. Then when I had Malaika's place, I said, okay, you wait, I'm calling someone. Straight away, I called it defense.
No. Ere chonchongera ne Malaika nga bawanga wali ankakasa. Kanaye kinakola nange nenga nokola ki okutuka gye bali kubanga lodi bo balemerawo nga tebavaawo. Nange ne nfuluma era we nafuluma nenga makyamani wange oke nti ebintu ebigena maso wali si birungi.